Becoming a mystery shopper is a great way to make a little extra cash on the side. And the best part is, in the process, you'll get a bunch of free stuff on someone else's dime. The problem with becoming a mystery shopper, however, is actually finding reliable work doing it. Many companies out there make bold claims about the work that they offer and what their shoppers make. But be advised, not all mystery shopping companies are created equal. How much mystery shoppers make? According to data from ZipRecruiter, the average mystery shopper makes about $20 an hour. Other estimates put the average hourly pay around $18 an hour. What you can expect to make, however, really depends on a few factors, including experience, whether you're a full-time employee or just working part-time, and what company you choose to work for. Mystery shopper scams. There are a lot of scam mystery shopping companies out there. If a company is claiming to offer you thousands of dollars a month or promises to send you a check up front, consider that a major red flag. Remember, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. To avoid falling victim to a scam, keep in mind the following basic rules. First, never wire any money to anyone. Any reputable company will go through proper channels for things like expense reports and reimbursements. Next, steer clear of help wanted ads in newspapers or on Craigslist. Finally, don't expect to pay for anything, period. You shouldn't have to pay to gain access to mystery shopper job listings, and no reputable company will make you pay for your training. Best mystery shopping companies. Bestmark is one of the biggest and oldest names in the mystery shopping game. They've been around since 1986 and employ over 600,000 mystery shoppers. Your official title will either be field representative or evaluator. On average, Bestmark mystery shoppers make $13 an hour. They don't hire full-time shoppers, so instead, their workers are considered independent contractors. Telus International works with companies like Meta and Google to ensure that their advertisers are legitimate. Mystery shoppers are employed as independent contractors to evaluate ad integrity by purchasing products from online shops, reviewing the checkout process, and testing out the products that they receive. Telus offers their workers monthly or weekly projects and reimburses them for their purchases while paying them for the time as well. On average, Telus mystery shoppers make about $15 an hour. IntelliShop hires people to review a handful of top brand name products. After you've applied and been approved to become a shopper, you'll receive mystery shopping opportunities via email or by reviewing their job board. At first, you might not receive many projects, but after doing a few jobs, your rating will improve and you'll start receiving more opportunities. MarketForce sends mystery shoppers into retail environments, mostly to evaluate food-related products. They also employ people to review and evaluate places like gas stations, gyms, hotels, banks, and restaurants. MarketForce has a huge client base and is widely considered to be one of the best entry-level mystery shopping companies out there. Secret Shopper has been providing major companies with their services for more than several years. Their average pay is between $15 and $30 per job, but some jobs will only hook you up with a reimbursement for the product or meal you purchase, meaning you won't be paid for your time. They aren't the highest paying mystery shopping company, but it still may be worth your time for the experience alone. A few other companies that you may want to look into that provide mystery shopping services include Sinclair Customer Metrics, Service Evaluation Concepts, and Signature Worldwide. How to get a mystery shopping job. Generally speaking, the best way to land a mystery shopping job is by going to the company's website and filling out their application. If you're having trouble finding it, look for the careers link at the bottom of the page. Some companies feature their application prominently on their websites, while others, like Telus International, don't advertise their jobs quite as explicitly. Or, if you're looking for a more obscure way to make money, check out our previous video on donating blood plasma for up to $1,000 per month. We'll see you in the next video.